Good evening. And why is it that Dushanji is saying that we need to find a middle path? What middle path? If there is a procession, if there is a festival, if we are celebrating Bhagwan Hanumanji today, or previously a few days back we had Ram Navami celebrations, why is it that we feel threatened on our own streets, celebrating our own festivals? Revering our own God? And why is it that we feel that we are being targeted and that this is not a story of this year? This exact same thing happened last year in synchronization across the country. Violence broke out, and please tell me if this is a coincidence, because it does not sound like one, because it is repetitive. It is targeting only certain festivals. And it is ensuring that people who only want to peacefully celebrate are not being allowed to do so. And it is people of the opposition today who want to divide on the name of religion in the name of secularism. So you cannot call yourself secular and promote pseudo-secularism. And we stand against it. It is just not done.
Okay, so you are hinting at the fact that a wrong precedent is being set. 1 second, Dushyant Nagarji.
Yes, and
Charu is trying to hint at the fact that anyone who wants to celebrate festivals in our country, to begin with, there should not be an atmosphere in the country wherein one is fueling hate against one another.
20 seconds, एक मिनट दुष्यंत भैया 20 सेकंड, एक मिनट रुक जाइए, 20 सेकंड, मेरी बात
उनको अपना स्टेटमेंट देने दीजिए. She wants to put across a point and you can perhaps elaborate on it.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
So Christine, you know, this whole talk of Muslim ilaka, it sits so uncomfortably on the conscience of any genuinely secular Indian. Because how can you talk like that? How can you support organizations which move the court and say mandir band karo kyunki ye Muslim ilaka hai? I didn't know this was anybody's ilaka. This is an Indian ilaka which is supposed to be secular. So in the name of secularism, you cannot stop us from celebrating our festivals. And like I said, we know the precedents are there. We know whether it is Bhagwan Shri Krishna or Bhagwan Shri Ram or Bhagwan Hanumanji, every single time violence breaks out. People are being targeted. And why is that? And you cannot defend it. Please, Dushanji, you cannot defend it on television.
Dushyant Nagarji,